Chat GPT can create Microsoft Excel workbook as per your requirement. Suppose that I need an inventory purchase, sales, and balance tracker in an Excel workbook. I can simply go to chatgpt.com and write what I need. Please create an Excel workbook to track the inventory purchase, sales, and balance using formulas. The workbook should be able to automatically track the balance stock based on the stock purchase and sales transaction entered by users. After giving the prompt, press Enter or click on this button. Chat GPT started to generate the response. Here it has given the structure of Excel workbook that is going to generate. At the end, it is asking, would you like me to generate and send you this Excel workbook as a downloadable file? Simply type yes and hit Enter. Here you go. The Excel file is generated by Chat GPT. Click on it to download. Open the Downloads folder. This is the Excel workbook for tracking inventory. Open it by double-clicking. It has 3 sheets for stock purchase, stock sales, and stock balance. In stock balance, the required formulas are auto-given. Current stock of product A is 60 units. Let me change this in stock purchase sheet. Check in the stock balance. Quantity is auto-updated. So, this is how you can use Chat GPT to create an Excel workbook as per your requirement. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.